Streets promise luxury, but only a few can give the signature of true luxury. Welcome to Mi Casa Lagos, located in Elerangbe, Ibeju-Lekki, Lagos. A masterpiece where modern living is your reality and details are designed to inspire confidence and comfort. Here, luxury isn't loud, it's intentional, timeless, and built to last. At Mi Casa Lagos, you don't just get a land, you get a lifestyle powered by street lights, modern drainages, perimeter fencing, and so much more. We have 300, 500, and 1,000 square meter plus sizes here. And with an initial deposit of 10 million naira, you can also get a plot here. The title is government allocation. Secure your plot now and own a piece of the future today. Call or send us a message.